Unlocking the secrets of key details in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, key details. Whether you're reading a book, listening to a story, or engaging in a conversation, understanding key details can significantly enhance your comprehension. So, let's dive in and explore this fundamental concept together. Key details refer to the most important facts or pieces of information in a text or conversation. Imagine them as the pillars that support the main idea or theme. Identifying these details helps you understand the core message and the essential elements of what's being communicated. They are like the highlights of a story or a discussion. Understanding key details is crucial because they 1. Clarify the main idea. They help you grasp the central concept or theme. 2. Enhance comprehension. Knowing these details makes it easier to understand and remember the content. 3. Aid in summarizing. They are essential when you need to summarize a text or conversation. 4. Improve critical thinking. Identifying key details requires and develops your analytical skills. To identify key details, you can 1. Look for repetitions. Often, important points are repeated. 2. Note the emphasis. Pay attention to what the speaker or writer emphasizes. 3. Check for firsts and lasts. Important details are frequently mentioned at the beginning or end of paragraphs or conversations. 4. Ask questions. Who, what, when, where, why, how? Answers to these questions are often key details. Let's apply this in practice. Consider a short story or a news article. First, identify the main idea. Then, pick out the key details that support this idea. Remember, these details are the backbone of the story or article. By focusing on them, you grasp the essence of what's being communicated. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of key details in English. Remember, identifying these details is a skill that improves with practice. So, keep reading, listening, and practicing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.